The future is crafted from the unknown. Visionaries may ask what it looks like or sounds like, but only Lexus wonders how it feels. Introducing the LF-Z Electrified concept. A concept born of an all-new, pure electric platform that will change how you feel about driving. Whether you're seeking a dynamic drive or peace of mind from Lexus Teammate, our autonomous driving technology that partners with you, the LF-Z Electrified concept will take you to the future. Moving to an all-electric powertrain not only vastly improves acceleration and power delivery, it also lowers the LF-Z Electrified concept's center of gravity for better handling. With a predicted 600 kilometer range, this crossover can accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Direct 4 technology revolutionizes how drivers connect with the road. Proprietary motors at each axle direct power to the appropriate wheels under all conditions, dynamically switching between front, rear, and all-wheel drive. The LF-Z Electrified concept offers unparalleled control and stability for acceleration and cornering. But most important, it offers drivers a degree of confidence they've never felt before. Steer-by-wire is advanced technology that increases steering precision to match a driver's intent. The fully electronic system filters out unwanted road vibration while communicating what's important for an exhilarating drive. And when a more relaxing drive is desired, Lexus Teammate relies on steer-by-wire for more precise control during advanced drive. Every innovation in the LF-Z Electrified concept can be traced back to the Lexus driving signature philosophy. It is a belief that a vehicle is an extension of the driver's intent, a machine built around a human to create a seamless, unified system. By moving to an all-EV platform, the LF-Z Electrified concept becomes the purest interpretation of this philosophy. Direct 4 and steer-by-wire revolutionize how driver and vehicle take to the road with confidence. And this synergy is completed by centering the driver with our reimagined Tazuna cockpit. Tazuna, the Japanese term for using reins to control a horse, is the inspiration for our cockpit. Each and every appointment inside the cabin has been carefully reconsidered for position and function to best serve tomorrow's driver. The all-EV powertrain also allowed Lexus designers to reimagine the interior in ways not possible with conventional engines. The Tazuna cockpit is anchored by an all-new multi-screen interface, evoking the shape of a black butterfly. These screens are laid out along natural sight lines. Drivers can interact with the AI through touch or voice while driving. Over time, the AI will learn a driver's preferences and habits to suggest better routes and help control smart homes.
How many for dinner?
Just the 2 of us.
Setting mood to romantic.
A panoramic roof made of light-controlling glass invites the outside in, while LED ambient lighting creates any number of moods inside the cabin. E-Latch updates conventional handles with doors that unlatch by a push of a button and scan the environment for oncoming traffic, making the LF-Z Electrified concept both sleeker and safer, while Digital Key gives your smartphone seamless, shareable access to your car. The LF-Z Electrified concept is the first of its kind, the first Lexus to use an all-new electric platform to power each axle with Direct 4 technology and to command the road with steer-by-wire. All of these innovations and more are born from the Lexus driving signature philosophy that our machines are an extension of human intent. By creating a vehicle intuitively responsive to the driver's needs, Lexus created a driving experience unlike any other. And the feeling is electric.
What do you think of the new concept car? As you can see, the new LF-Z Electrified concept is the beginning of a transformation here at Lexus. In fact, we have 2 more product reveals coming in 2021, and the excitement won't slow down. Over the course of the next 5 years, we plan to introduce 20 all-new or redesigned models, increasing the diversity of choice of our lineup. To make sure of that, the Lexus team, including engineering, design, and planning members, will soon move to our new technical center at Shimoyama. This effort will unify the brand and enable a more rapid and agile approach to new product development as we look toward our next chapter. Again, thank you for joining us today. For more details about our future vision and the LF-Z Electrified concept, please check out our Discover Lexus website or visit your local Lexus website. We also have a new AR app available for you to download where you can experience Lexus in a new way. We look forward to this amazing journey and sharing the future with you. We hope you agree that the feeling is electric. See you soon.